Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cheryl. If this is your first time dropping by to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. With today's video, we are making pork igado. For those of you who is not aware what is pork igado is originally made with pork intestines and liver. With our recipe today, we will not be using pork liver or pork intestines. We will be using pork shoulder instead, and we will be cutting this in a thinly sliced against the grain. This is my version of cooking igado. There are many ways of making this dish, but I like this as a preference and also like to share it with you. It's super easy, super fast to make. Transfer the meat in a bigger bowl and add all the seasonings. Add the condiments as well, and then give it a good mix. You can have this marination overnight and leave it in the fridge. The following day you can cook it. It'll be a lot easier. Or you can also prepare this all in the same day, but just make sure to marinate it for at least an hour. While the meat is marinating, you can start chopping your vegetables. Once your meat is marinated for at least an hour, your vegetables are being prepped, then you can cook your meat directly to the skillet. Give it a try. If the flavor is not enough, you can always add soy sauce to enhance the flavor. There you have it, guys. If you like this recipe, please click like, share, and comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.